Marian Włodzimierz Kukiel was a Polish major general, historian, social and political activist, one of the founders of Związek Walki Czynnej in 1908 and prominent member of Związek Strzelecki. He fought in the Polish legions in First World War. Kukiel served from 1919 until 1920 as deputy head of Section 3, Polish General Staff, and took part in the Polish-Soviet War. Then in 1920 he became the commanding officer of the 20th Brigade and head of Section 3. From 1923 until 1925 he served as general officer commanding the 13th Infantry Division. After Pilsudski's coup he entered the reserves. From 1927 he was a professor of military history at Jagiellonian University. Since 1932 he became a member of POW. From 1930 until 1939 he was director of the Czartoryski Museum in Kraków. In 1939 he took part in the defense of Lwow. From 1939 until 1940 he was Vice Minister of War of the Polish government in exile in London. From 1940 until 1942 General Officer commanding the 1st Polish Corps based in Coatbridge, Scotland, and since 1943 Minister of War of the government in exile. From 1945 until 1973 Professor of the Polish University in exile. From 1946 until 1973 Director of the Polish History Institute in London. From 1951 to 1966 member of the Sikorski Institute in London. He died in London in 1972 aged 87 and was buried at Kensal Green Cemetery. Works: Dosyć Wojska Polskiego w Napoleonskie 1795–1815. Zarys Historii Wojskowej w Pols. Wojna roku 1812. Dosyć Polski po rozbiorze 1795–1921.